Hi there. I'm sorry, I don't even remember when I last recorded something. Yeah, it feels sometimes like my life turns into a mess in all areas. Maybe it's the mid-age problem, I don't know. Or do you feel anything like it? I can't go into details right now, but I'm at a point where I'm a little bit ruthless. I don't know much about today or even tomorrow or anything, but I shouldn't complain. I mean, I know people who are suffering much worse. You can see today I am out hiking. I have been longing for this whole winter time to go out hiking in this wonderful, wonderful, beautiful nature. So this is my healing. This is where I get some new energy, some power. I creativity, everything. But anyway, we should focus on every day what we can do. Sometimes we are stuck and it feels like we can do nothing about it. But I think there is always small steps that we can do, and at least as I'm trying to do right now, to take care of our mental and physical health, because as long as we have that, everything else will eventually fall into pieces, I hope. I'm still only 48, so yeah, maybe there are a lot of things for me still in this world, but right now I'm enjoying so much this nature. It's, yeah, this is something I could do. I could start taking groups up to Norrbotten and take them hiking in this wonderful nature, and get some energy, get free from depression, from burnout, from anything that troubles your mind. I'm always also studying to become a Nirvana instructor. That is a little bit complete system with the mind and body, which I believe also mental strength has always been something very important to me to train, as well as physical strength. I'm not in the best shape right now, what I should be, so hopefully I can go hiking every day now and get into shape. But yeah, Nirvana, that is with breathing. Breathing has a lot to do so we don't get poisoned, because today 80% of the people, they are not breathing right because of stress and lots of different things. So breathing is very important, so that the body also can heal itself and from lots of diseases. And so that is a complete system with stretching, body movements, a little bit like Pilates stretching, but it combines body, mind and breathing in a total relaxing and restoring way. So maybe that could be something that I could do in the future, take you up here to this wonderful, wonderful place, and also let you get some breathing and stretching and exercise and just enjoy. It's quiet here. I can't hear. Up here I don't hear a thing. When you go down into the forest you just hear birds. Mosquitoes, yes, but not so much today. Not up here because it's a little bit windy, as you can see. If you go down into the forest, there are some mosquitoes, yes, and I guess it will be worse still. It's just beginning of summer, but anyway, if you are feeling a little bit like myself today, that you are a little bit rootless and you don't know nothing about anything, so take the first step and think about what gives you energy, what gives you joy, what gives your soul healing and restoring and peace, and do that one little step. So see you later. Have a great day. I will.